Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be looking at how to add custom fonts to your WordPress website. And the custom fonts is a great way to maintain brand consistency. So let's say you have a unique font that is consistent with your brand and you can make use of that font on your website. And there are different places or websites we can get custom fonts. And to get a custom font, you can go to myfonts.com to get a custom font. You can also go to the fonts to get a custom font and font squirrel to get a custom font. And when you go to the fonts or any of these fonts websites, just scroll down and look for any custom font you like, then download the fonts. So to add a custom font, we'll go to plugins, we'll click on add new. So we'll search for the plugin called custom fonts. So we see the plugin here, custom fonts by Brainstorm Force. We click on install now. You click on activate. So our plugin is activated successfully. So from the appearance settings, I'll click on custom fonts. So from here, I can add a new font. So I'll click on add new fonts. So from here, you have the local fonts and the Google fonts. So if you're using the Astra theme or the Elementor as your page builder, you have Google fonts installed already. So from here, I want to use a custom font that I've downloaded already. And this font is on my system already. So I'll type the name of the font I want to use, which is Julio. So the next option is to choose file. And I can choose the file for the name of the font I want to use. Now you see the different formats here, which is OTF, TTF, and the rest. So I'll click on choose file. Select file. Now I'm going to select regular WOFF2. Use fonts. And I can add another font variation with the same fonts. I'm going to use bold this time, Julio bold. I'll change this to bold, which is 700. I'll also add another variation. And I'll select medium, choose file. I'll select medium. I'll use fonts. So you can see all the fonts preview here, the regular 400, bold, and medium. Now you can go ahead and add different font variation. So but for this video, I'll be using these 3 font suites. So when you're done, you click on save fonts. Now my font is saved successfully. And to make use of the font, I'll go to customize. I'll click on global. I'll click on typography. Then down on the base fonts, I can see the body font, the heading font. So I'll click on body font. Now the body font is for the text for the website. So I'll click on body font. I'll click on font family. And all these fonts here are Google fonts. They are coming from Google fonts. Just like I said initially, if you're using Astra theme or Elementor, it comes with Google fonts. So these are Google fonts here. So what to make use of the fonts I just installed, I'll search for the fonts. Julio. I'll click on it. So from here, my body font is Julio. Now you can see the font weight, which is set to 400. Now you can see other font weights, which is 700 and medium, the ones I installed. And I can go to the heading fonts and search the name of the font, Julio. Now this is set to bold. So with these guys, I've added a custom font to my WordPress website. So let's say you're using Elementor and you also want to change this font from the Elementor page builder. So I'll go to my website, edit with Elementor. So my heading text, I can click on it. I'll go to styles, go to typography, then I can search for the font I just installed, Julio. So you can see the custom fonts. I can select different suites, which is the ones I installed, which is bold. I'll go to my body copy text, go to styles, go to typography, go to font family, search for Julio. I'll go to weight, then I'll click on normal, which is regular. So with these guys, we've added a custom font to our WordPress website. So the second method of using a custom font in your WordPress website is using the Elementor page builder. Now you have to have Elementor Pro for this method to work. So I'll go to Elementor, I'll go to custom fonts. And from the custom fonts, I can add a new font. And to add a new custom font, you click on add new. Now from here, you have to enter the name of the font family. So I'll enter Gmail. Now from here, you can add different font variations. You also have the weight, which is set to normal by default, the style, which is set to normal by default. Now you can upload all these font files. If the font you downloaded has all of them. So, but mine, I'm just going to download only one font file. So I'll click on upload, click on upload files. I'll select files. I'll click on WOF, select WOF. So you can see my font is uploaded successfully. So I'll add another font variation. And this time around, I'm going to set this to bold. The font style will be set to normal. I'll select the WOFF file. I'll upload it. Click on bold. Select bold. I'll add another font variation, medium. Now medium is set to 500. I'll add the file, upload files, select files. I'll select medium and I'll open files. Select files. So you can go ahead and add other fonts variation, but I'm just going to use the 3 fonts variation I've selected. Now you click on publish. So my font is saved successfully. And to make use of this custom font, I'll go to my website. I'll click on edit with Elementor. So from Elementor page editor, I can change my font. I'll click on my heading font. I'll go to styles, go to typography, and it's set to vertical by default. You can see the font here, Gilio. And in case you don't see this font, you can search for the font. It's Gilio. Then I'll select the weight, which is bold. And I'll go down to my body copy fonts. Click here, go to styles, go to typography, search for Gilio. And it's set to normal by default, but you can also select 500, which is set to medium. I'll click on updates and I'll go back to my website. So you can see the website is updated successfully. So with this, guys, we've added a custom font to our WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I would like to know how today's video has helped you out on your WordPress career journey. Like, share, comment. Thank you guys.